Hello, I'm Aria, a proud graduate of Purist College, now making waves at Mega Data Corporation. Picture this, your first day, the excitement, the nervous anticipation, the start of something big. You're crafting intricate cloud environments with Azure, just like we simulated with VMware in class. It's not just about servers, it's about creating worlds within worlds. Every challenge a puzzle, and solving them with my team, it's the highlight of my day. We're not just co-workers, we're co-conspirators in innovation, wielding PowerShell scripts like magic spells to automate the mundane. When data flows like a river, when everything comes together, it's a rush. The best part? Sharing those victories with friends who've become like family. Now, as a team lead, I have the chance to guide and inspire, just as I was inspired by my mentors and professors. Seeing the pride in my parents' eyes, knowing I'm making a difference, pushing the boundaries of technology, and paving the way for others. That's my real reward. So, to all you budding Cloud DevOps specialists, this is just the beginning. The world is your server, and you're the admin. Are you ready to make your mark? I know you are. See you in the cloud.